Good morning to all of you. Today we are studying electrostatic potential and capacitance, जो कि 12th क्लास का सेकंड चैप्टर है. फर्स्ट चैप्टर जो हम ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. सो अगर हमारे पास एक चार्ज है तो उसके अराउंड क्या क्रिएट होता है? इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. सो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड around any charge can be defined in two ways. First one, in terms of electric field, E, and second term, electric potential. So now we discuss इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक पोटेंशियल. किस तरह से इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक पोटेंशियल को यूज करके हम इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड उसके अराउंड मेजर कर सकते हैं. सो व्हाट इज इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल? इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल को इस तरह समझें. मान लें हमारे पास एक चार्ज है जिसके अराउंड एक इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड क्रिएट हुआ है दिस, और बहुत दूर कोई यूनिट चार्ज रखा हुआ है जो इस रीजन में आने की कोशिश कर रहा है अगेंस्ट इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक रिपल्शन और अगेंस्ट इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स. सो it is defined as in a region of electric field. It is defined as the amount of work done per unit test charge bringing from infinity to that point against इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स. दिस इज, ये इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स के अगेंस्ट ही वर्क करेगा. नाउ बट वी कैन नॉट मेजर इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल. वी मेजर ओनली पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. इसको मैथमेटिकली लिख लेते हैं. मैथमेटिकली V बराबर W अपॉन Q नॉट. Here V is electrostatic potential, Q naught is test charge, W is work done against electrostatic force. So it's because of work done is scalar quantity as well as electrostatic potential is scalar quantity, so it is a scalar quantity. Its SI unit is work, joule, charge, coulomb, joule per coulomb or volt. What is dimension formula? Calculate from the above. Work done is ml2t minus 2 upon 80, so it will become ml2t minus 3 a minus 1. This is. Now we can't measure electrostatic potential, but we measure only potential difference, and potential difference can be measured between 2 points. So What is potential difference? It is defined as the amount of work done moving in a unit positive charge from one point to another. That is, suppose we have 2 points A and B, so the difference is equal to 1 upon V naught. Here point A, here point B. So when this comes from here to here, A to B, so the difference will be equal to this here. What is electrostatic potential at infinity? The answer is potential at infinity will be equal to 0. The potential at infinity taken to be 0. Why? Because of, इसका आंसर थोड़ी देर बाद हम पता करेंगे। अभी हम एक पॉइंट चार्ज के केस में निकालेंगे, उससे इसका आंसर भी हमें क्लियर हो जाएगा। Let us see now what is electrostatic potential and what is potential difference. What is its SI unit, how it will create, and why we use. So why we study? We study to calculate electric field around a charge. Now, how much electric field or how much electric potential creates around or due to a point charge? Electric potential due to a point charge. So let us say here positive charge Q placed at O at some distance, or we say simply a charge which is placed up to infinity. Come closer to this charge. So let us say this is at point A and this is at point B. जब हम चार्ज को इन्फिनिटी लाएं तो सपोज दैट एक टाइम पर वो कहां पर आ गया होगा, पॉइंट ए पर, पॉइंट ए से फिर पॉइंट बी पर भी आया होगा। ये मान के चलें कि इनिशियल से पॉइंट ए की डिस्टेंस अगर x होगी तो स्मॉल वर्क डन जब उसने ए से बी तक किया होगा तो उस समय उसका डिस्प्लेसमेंट dx रहा होगा। नाउ व्हाट इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ फोर्स? This is positive, this is again positive, so the direction of force is going in this direction F, as well as electric field is also in this direction. Now what work done is against electrostatic force, so in this direction small work should be done against in electrostatic force, so we take work done as negative sign. Now let us consider a charge q placed at O. Suppose a test charge q naught is bringing from infinity to point A. So, according to Coulomb's law, the electrostatic force between these two charges will be equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q naught upon distance is x square along OE. This force is always act away from Q. When Q naught is placed from A to B, some work should be done. So dW बराबर F dx with negative sign because of the direction between force and work are opposite to each other. So here dW will be equal to minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q naught upon x square dx. Now what we calculate? We calculate total work done. Total work done to bring q naught from infinity to point P at a distance. What is point P? A point P lies in a region where electric field feels. Point P, this one, and let us say the distance between O to P is R. So dW will be equal to, or W will be equal to integral of dW infinity to R 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into q naught integral infinity to R 1 upon x square dx. The integral of 1 upon x square dx will be equal to minus 1 upon x infinity to R. Here with negative sign already. Now what is W will be equal to minus q naught upon 4 pi epsilon naught R. We put here minus 1 upon R minus minus plus 1 upon infinity. 1 upon infinity is nothing but 0. So what is W? 1/4πε0 q q0/r. By the definition of potential, V बराबर W/Q. So V equal to 1/4πε0 Q/R. This is volt. Now the question, why we taken potential at infinity 0 if the distance is infinite? Something upon infinity is nothing but 0. Here integral of 1/x square dx can be written as x power minus 2 dx and the integral is एक पावर ऊपर ऐड होगी और जो ऊपर लिखा जाएगा वही नीचे लिखा जाएगा. So it is x power minus 1/1, so minus 1/x. Here electrostatic potential in case of point charge will be equal to this. So what is its nature? How will it vary with distance r? Now variation of V versus R. Nature due to point charge. So let's draw. This one is R, this one is V. So what is plot? This plot is going to look like this. Like this. But if we draw again a graph like here, so it will go look like this. This graph is due for this electric field due to point charge go vary in this direction, but this is due to potential which go vary look like this. So this is all about electrostatic potential difference, and it is due to point charge. Now in the next lecture we discuss how much electric potential created in case of dipole as we done in case of electric field. So for COVID-19 थोड़ा सा गंभीर होता जा रहा है, मगर अभी आपको जो सुविधाएं दी जा रही हैं ऑनलाइन क्लासेस की या यूट्यूब चैनल पर जितने भी रिसोर्सेज हैं आपको स्टडी के लिए, आप उन पर थोड़ा फोकस करें, क्योंकि स्कूल ओपन होने के बाद आई थिंक रिवीजन हो मगर टाइम इतना नहीं रहेगा. सो जैसे जैसे आपको क्लासेस दी जा रही हैं आप उनको रेगुलर अटेंड करते हैं ताकि आगे स्टडी में कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो. सो सभी अपने घर रहें और सुरक्षित रहें और अपनी स्टडी पर खासकर फोकस करते रहें. सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट. Tomorrow we have discussed about how or how much electric potential arises due to a point charge, and what result comes? V equal to k q upon r, where k is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Now today what we will discuss, how much electric potential is due to an electric dipole. There are two cases, as you know that. First one is potential due to axial line. Potential due to axial line. So here there are two charges, a negative charge and at some distance a positive charge q, having separation 2a. So it will be a, let us call it is AB. Now suppose that P be any point at which we calculate electric potential due to electric dipole. Now here suppose that r be the distance. So let us consider an electric dipole AB of length 2a. Suppose P be any point at which we calculate electric potential. As shown. In the figure. So electric potential due to minus q, V negative will be equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into q upon r. What is r? R is from here to here, so it becomes r plus a. Similarly, electric potential due to plus q r minus a from here to here. So net potential at P will be equal to V1 or V plus V minus, because of potential is a vector potential is a scalar quantity, so we simply add both of them. What is this? V equal to, what is common between them? 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into q. What is in bracket? 1 upon r minus a minus 1 upon r plus a. Due to this minus sign, it becomes minus. So r plus a minus r plus a upon, this is square difference, so r square minus a square. Here r cancels out, so what we get, v equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q into 2a upon r square minus a square. What is that? What the quantity represents q into 2a? It's nothing but electric dipole moment E upon r square minus a square. If r is much larger than a, what is the condition? If t point tends to infinity, so we neglect a. Because of that, in that case r is much small, much greater than a, so v equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into p upon r square. Volt. So how much potential arises due to an electric dipole in case of axial line? V equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into p upon r square. Now, how much potential arises due to electric dipole in case of equatorial? So let's discuss. Now, electric potential due to equatorial line. Due to equatorial. Here minus q plus q. The total distance is 2a, so half is a. Let us say here PV point at which we calculate electric potential. This one. This is a, this is r, so it becomes r square plus a square की power half. It is also r square plus a square की power half. So let AB equal to electric dipole having length 2a. Now, what is P? A point on equatorial line at which we calculate electric potential. Now, electric potential due to plus q, So V plus will be equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into Q upon R. What is R? R square plus A square की power half electric potential due to minus Q, and it will be V negative will be equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into minus Q upon R square plus A square की power half. So net potential at P V equal to V plus V minus. Here both of them are in same magnitude. Here there is a negative sign, so when we place here, both are cancels to each other, so total potential due to electric equatorial line is 0. So how much electric potential arises due to electric dipole in case of equatorial line? So answer is 0. Now in general, electric potential due to dipole at any point, so V equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into P dot R upon R square. जो हम लोगों ने दोनों केस डिस्कस किए, आइदर बी एक्सियल लाइन और इक्वेटोरियल, both of this formula combines both of cases. How? See, if, or we can also write as V equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into P dot R cap means P R cap cos theta upon R square, and what is R cap? It is unit vector, so its value is 1. So P cos theta upon R square. Now for एक्सेल में जो पॉइंट हम मानते हैं वो डायपोल की डायरेक्शन में ही माना जाता है. इन दिस केस जो एंगल बनेगा और डायपोल से वो कितना बनेगा? 0. सो थीटा विल बी इक्वल टू 0. पुट इट हियर. V equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into P upon R square, because cos 0 is 1. Second, for equatorial, in case of equatorial, here theta is at 90 degree, so theta is 90 and cos 90 is 0, so it is all about 0. Now what is the nature of electric potential in case of electric dipole? Now nature of electric potential in case of electric dipole. V is proportional to 1 upon R square, as we See here. So if we plot that, this is R, this is V. So it go look like this. Like this. In similar way, if it will be compared with electric field, due to dipole, so we see E proportional to 1 upon R cube. So you must remember that it will go look like this. So you must know how they compare both of them. Electric potential is inversely proportional to square of distance, but electric field is inversely proportional to the cube of distance. Now, how much electric potential arises due to spherical shell? See also. So electric potential due to uniformly charged thin spherical shell. So let us see point O. Suppose the radius of spherical shell is R. Let us say point P be outside on the surface or inside. Now, suppose that let us consider a spherical shell of radius R and center O. Now, suppose that the distance is R. So first case, potential outside the shell. So how much potential is outside the cell? As we know that when we calculate electric field outside the shell, so it behaves same as point charge. So potential due to outside the shell is behaves like a point charge, so it will becomes V equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into Q upon R. Here R is greater than R. Second case, on the surface, what on the surface small r can be converted into capital R. So V equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into Q upon capital R volt. Third case, it is very important. Inside the shell, inside the shell में हम क्या जानते हैं कि जो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड है, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड inside the shell is zero, but potential is constant, which is same as on the surface of shell. That means V equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into Q upon R. So what we conclude, and how the variation of electric potential with distance r, let us see. Variation of potential versus distance. So here again suppose that it's a sphere whose radius is r, this is inside, V versus r. So inside it there is constant, so this one, a constant line on the surface is again constant, so here is, and outside it inversely proportional to r, so it goes look like this, like this. So the electric field inside a conductor is zero. It is necessarily that electric potential is also zero. So the answer is the electric field inside a conductor is zero, but the potential inside it is remains constant. So suppose that the potential on the surface is 10 volt. So how much potential inside the surface of conductor? So answer is, because of the potential on the surface or inside the surface remains same, hence the potential inside the surface is also 10 volt. So today we are stopping here. After that we talk about how electric potential and electric field are related to each other. Okay, thank you.